In the heart of the night, a hunger stirs. The mission begins with a single, hungry realization.
Not now, Belly.
The target, high-altitude salmon bites.
Not now, Belly. We have work to do. Operation Midnight Munchies is a go.
Phase 2. Secure the muscle. The island is the gateway to the treats. Target acquired. High altitude, high reward. The base camp is reached. Now, the ascent. A little boost goes a long way.
Landed! Come on up, Ruckus!
The specialist follows close behind. There it is, Milo, the high shelf.
Wow, it is so high up!
The objective is in sight. The climb continues, but a transparent giant blocks the path. A transparent giant blocks the path. One.
Whoa! Whoa!
I'm a trash-flavored smoothie!
I think I can see my house from here. What is the meaning of this cacophony? You'll never reach the salmon delights. You lack panache.
We don't need panache. We have engineering!
Sequential numbering, 15.
Phase 3, the countertop traverse.
We have work to do, Percival. We're building the ascent.
The construction of the tower is no simple feat.
Easy, easy. It's like a game of Jenga, but with higher stakes.
I can almost reach it!
What is the meaning of this cacophony? Time for a little structural adjustment.
Not on my watch, Fluffy.
Going down! Mayday! Mayday! Abandoned ship! I got it! Oh no!
It's a miracle! It's raining fish!
Told you engineering was better than panache.
And so, the great snack heist ends in a delicious truce.
Gentlemen, the evidence is everywhere!
The human awakens at 0600 hours. We have 15 minutes.
Ruckus, start the scrubber. Percival, hide the evidence.
I was born for greatness, not janitorial duties.
Efficiency is my middle name.
Almost got it.
Was that the human? Or
Steady. Perfect. Mine!
Alert! The automated scavenger is active!
It's going for the salmon delights. That's our profit. Yeehaw! Not on my watch, bucket of bolts.
10 points for form, Milo. Initiating mechanical override. Eat steel, you overglorified dust bunny.
Scatter!
I am a cloud.
Oh 05:50 a.m. The beast awakens.
Wow, I must have been sleepwalking.
Success. See you tomorrow.